Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, and on today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove this bumper on an '09 Nissan Sentra. Now, it may be the same on several different model years. If you have this body style, this is the body style that will be the exact same. So, a lot of them are going to be similar, but this is the body style. This is an '09. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the cover, the tire cover that's in this vehicle, and it just slides out. You just lift it up and you can pull it out. I've got it sitting right over there. So the next thing we're going to do is remove this tail panel cover. It can be a little bit tricky, but it just holds on by some clips. So what I would do is you pull the bottom out first. These clips right here are what holding it in, and they should just pop loose. If you give a little shake and a tug, they will come loose. And then these come straight up. So see it, they clip right in there. That clip right there clips right in there. So this comes out at the bottom and up. And then you set that aside. You do have to remove the taillights, but it's not really a big deal, okay? So we need to get access to 2 bolts behind this taillight. So in order to remove that taillight, we need to get access to 2 nuts that are behind this panel. So what we need to do is remove 2 clips. There's one clip that goes here, and then there's one clip that goes here. This is the clip right here. It is a push-in style clip. You pry up the center, and then you can pull out the entire clip. And you need a tool similar to this or something to pry that up and pop that out. Okay, so next thing we need to do is we peel back this cover. We just peel it back, set it aside, and now we're gonna look for the studs. There's one, you can see that right there. So remove those 2 nuts, 8mm. Then we can remove this taillight, and all you need to do is pull it straight out, and it is loose. It clips in right here, and it clips in right here, and that's where the 8mm bolt onto. So now you can set this aside, or you can just take it off. I'm just going to take it off. So you just give these a twist. These taillights, or these bulbs. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, with one hand, twist that one. Twist that one, it's out, and then this one's out, and then it just hooks in here. You just remove that. Oh, there's one more. Twist that, it's out. It's loose. There, it's loose. So this taillight's broken. I'm going to replace that. So once you have the taillight out, we're going to see another push-in clip. Right here, so we're going to just pry under that. Get this out of the way. Pry under that a little bit. Pop that out. And then right here, this is looks like a 10mm bolt. Okay, so now that bolt is removed, we're going to go over here to the side of the vehicle. We're going to come over here to the right side of the vehicle, and you can see right there, there's 2 torque head bolts. Those are T15s. So we're going to remove those. I have this jacked up. You don't have to take the wheel off. It might make it easier. Right there it is. So let's just take that out. So there's the 10mm bolt. Looks like you can use a screwdriver as well. Now, this bumper is not going to come loose like this. This one's been damaged, but it has these little inserts here that snap into a retaining bracket right here, right there, and they lock in. So you just need to give a good tug on this. But before you do that, so there's also one push-in clip that it goes in from the bottom into the bumper, into this plastic piece. You can take this plastic piece out, but let me tell you, these clips right here are a pain to remove. They'll probably break on you. Just saying. You can replace them with something different if you want. So remove one here, 10mm bolt right here. Pull this loose from the retaining bracket. Okay, so here we are underneath the car. If we look under here, so there's one push-in clip right there that you need to be removed, and then there's one right here. So there's two underneath, and then over here by the wheel, there's one that goes right there. Now that one didn't pull out on me. It was a pain in the butt, but you need to remove one there, one on the other side. So there's 4 push-in clips on the bottom of this bumper. Okay, so here it is. The bumper's off. I'll show you what we got. Okay, so here's the lowdown. 10mm bolt going up this way. You got to peel back a little plastic cover. There's 2 T15 torque bits that bolt right in there. 1 push-in clip on each corner. Those are difficult to remove. That one didn't come out. You got a push-in clip here under the tail light. You got a 10mm bolt right there. Same here, 10mm push-in clip. And then you got 2 more push-in clips on the center of this bumper. This also snaps in right here, and it just comes loose. You give it a tug, it just comes loose, okay? And that should be it for the 09 Nissan Sentra rear bumper removal. I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video. We'll see you next time.